Minecraft's not using your dedicated GPU. You're lagging like crazy and you want to figure out how to fix that. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. As you can see, my Minecraft right now, it's using my integrated graphics from my CPU, and the game's just lag like crazy. You know, I've got a decent graphics card, I've got a 3070 Ti in here. Shouldn't be doing all that with Minecraft, right? So what you're going to need to do is open up Minecraft, make sure it's the game itself. Don't just open up the launcher and call it a day. You need to have the game itself open. So once you're there, what I need you to do is right click the start menu, click on task manager, right? And go to details. Once in details, you're gonna scroll until you find Java W. You're gonna see it's running. That's this right here. I'm gonna right click on this, open file location. Okay, now we no longer need task manager. We also don't need Minecraft. Once we have this, we're good. So then we're gonna search up graphic settings. Now in graphic settings, what we're going to do is we're going to click on add a desktop app, and we're gonna go to that file location we just had, Control C, copy it over, Control V, paste it, hit enter. Once you're here, you're gonna scroll down till you get to where, oh, did I pass it? There it is, Java W. Click on it, add it in. Now all you've got to do is scroll down till you see that option. There you go. It's going to be like OpenJDK platform binary. You're going to open that up, swap it to high performance. That's going to set it to use your dedicated GPU. So you can close all of these. And just to show you it does work, I'm going to be launching Minecraft. As you can see, Minecraft's no longer lagging. And if we go into the F3 menu, it now shows that we're using the dedicated GPU or the 3070 Ti in my case. Hope this helped, and if it did, I'd appreciate a like. And if you'd like to subscribe for more tutorials, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.